Today we are at the battery show in Stuttgart. We have two battery demos here. One is with battery cells. The other one is with a battery pouch for the 3D scanning of the battery cells. We are using a 2640 sensor, so it's a 4K sensor. And also for the battery pouch, we are using a 26 series, so in this case the smaller one, the 2630.
We have these sensors in different fields of view, starting with the 2610 until the 2690, that covers almost 2 meters of field of view. What we see on the demo is a standard battery pouch. It's a flat plastic pouch. The purpose of our scanning here is to find defects on the surface and also detect unevenness or wrinkles on the surface. This is one aspect that we're going to scan in line, 100% quality control for each single pouch during production, and it can go up to a speed of about 2 meters per second.
In this demo, we will show you how we can segmentate every single battery, so we can use our part detection, for example, and then we have just the surface of every single battery, and we can detect some errors or defects on the surface on top of the battery. And also we are able to measure the height with the reference to the tray, and we can also measure the radius, for example. We are using Gocator software, and we have a lot of different integrated measurement tools on board.
Another aspect of the inspection for the battery pouch is also we want to observe the flatness of the anode and cathode pole. What we're doing here is we're taking a scan of the entire surface, and then we're using a profile intersect tool that gives us the information about each direction of the surface. So we have the yellow box on the left that gives us the information about the upper plane, and the yellow box on the right gives us the information on the surface on the pole. And so we are able to scan and analyze the angle of the pole.